Little video. I'm trying to make it short because I know when I watch YouTube, majority of the time I look for the shortest videos because my attention span is not that long. But so I take the spark plug out to put the chain on, and make sure the spark plug is out, and I take the cover off, and while I'm in there, a lot of times I grease the bucking bar, which is right there. You see, I just put some grease on there. Grease that up. That needs to be greased at least once a month, depending on how much you ride. So I get the chain. I use a 19mm socket, and I start the chain on there, and I get the socket on the big nut in there, and I turn it counterclockwise.